What is happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video. Let's go.
One, two, three.
Now we're looking at this Conair cord keeper. I've been wanting a hair blower for quite some time now, and finally this came in. It looks cool. You can like bend it and whatnot. I've never had something like this before. Just wanted to try it out. But let's look at the box. Got this at Walmart, I believe. Fairly cheap. I'll link the price on the description below. But yeah, there's a lot of things here. It's a retractable cable, 3 heats, two speed settings. It's a lot of settings. Really, we don't even need that much, but this is pretty cool. I just wanted to try it out. And then, of course, the retractable or the bendable handle here for easy storage. There's 2 attachments as well. I don't know how to use those. I'm a guy, so I only use it for certain things. Let's unbox this thing now. Let's check it out. Here we go. It's fairly basic. They have it carton here, some plastic inside, you can see. Here's one of the attachments, the narrow end or something like that. And let's see what we have here. I think this is the hair dryer itself. Yeah, that's it. A big one. It's a little bit heavy. It's not too bad. And the last attachment, there's nothing in there anymore. Just throw that away. Throw that away. Let's take off the plastic on these things. Let's check it out. It's a fair build. I mean, it's not like cheap or anything. It has some weight to it as well. Hopefully this lasts long. Usually the Conair last time was about a few years, so I wouldn't doubt that it break right away. Throw that out. It has this back part right here. It's pretty cool. I'm pretty sure that's the filter. This is the attachment. And this is the other attachment. I'm sure you can comb your hair with this or something. Comment below if you know how to use this attachment. Fair build, it's not just gonna break. Just pull it like that and it snaps right on. And this one's retractable. Give you a long cable here, just in case you're plugging in far away. And then I'm sure that red sticker there is for the limitation of it, that you can only do it there. I don't know how you pull it back though. I think there's a button here somewhere. Oh, okay, there it is. Just push that button and it'll retract the cable and slow it down here. It has a lot of torque, this one. There we go. It's not too bad. I don't know what this button's for. This blue button with the snowflake on it. But comment below if you know what that's for. I want to show you here the filter on the back. You could actually take this off. It's detachable, so that's pretty cool. You want to clean it out. If you want to, just wash it and then put it back. Dry it first and put it back. That's not too bad. It's pretty useful. And it's pretty attached there. You need to snap it on so that it won't come off. Let's try this thing out. First setting here. There's a 1 setting and then there's 2 setting. Sure, that's for the speed. Yep, that's right. Gets faster. And then this part right here, I kind of don't get. It has the snowflake part of it, and then there's the heat setting, I guess, how hot you want it. And then when you press this blue button with the snowflake on it, it slows down. I'm not sure what that's for, but yeah, comment below if you know what that's for. And then at least this one has a dual voltage, so one for 250 and one for 125. That's pretty cool. Just in case you want to travel and whatnot, then you could still use it out of the country. Here we only use 120 or 110 for the most part. So let's try out these attachments. It's fairly nice as well that it attaches there pretty well, like it won't come off while you're drying your hair. It's hard to come off as well. And then let's try this one. This one's a toughie. You need to really get that in there. But yeah, it's pretty cool, like what they give you, and it's fairly cheap as well. Again, thanks for watching, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below what I could improve here in this video. Make sure you share this to your friends, and see you next time. Peace.
1, 2,